Oh, I'm sorry. Did you not think I was gonna hit you with it right off the bat? Oh, you're wrong. Unlucky with it. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but on E85, this thing like kind of stutters when it starts. It is what it is. Since I already have that battery issue that I keep talking about, it scares me every single time. I'm just like, well, I really hope my car actually starts this morning. First things first, your boy needs a coffee. It is what it is. He says he's not gonna do it, and he keeps doing it. So today we've got a mixed bag of things we gotta do. I got this. Ow, oh, oh, dude. This thing just went straight into my chest. Ow, I'm gonna try it again. These are some parts in anticipation of the hybrid turbo, which we just ordered a couple videos ago. If you guys haven't seen that, click the link if I even have one up of that video. I just tried to put my seatbelt on again, and I already have it on. So we're off to a fantastic start today. But anyways, let's go get a coffee, dude. I'm about to pass out. Oh, dude, that lady right here that just parked next to me almost just completely hit my car like 4 times. Yes! I get excited for coffee in the morning now, man. There's something up with me, boy. By the way, I don't know if any of you guys even care or not. Vanilla sweet cream cold brew in a large makes you feel better. Oh. Ryan is currently detailing his car. Let's see if we can scare him a little bit. I'm gonna try and sneak under the garage door on the other side of the car and see what happens. Oh, that wasn't even scary.
I can't hear anything. I didn't think that was you. I'm like, who's this little person?
This is fantastic.
I can't really touch the roof, so I just don't really do anything.
Do you think you could make my roof look this bad?
I gotta wrap it and then give it about a year.
Okay, give it about a year to get this look.
Yeah, a year of neglect. Friends, you know how I send it.
I do have this nice package from Dylan Hughes. Big shout out to the boys on the ST page. You know how it is. Ready for this? That's the composer delete kit. So,
nice.
Oh, dude, look at that. This one's not even opened yet. That's a thermostat.
I thought it was a Rubik's Cube.
Does this actually do anything? It's a 165-degree thermostat, I think. Let me know if any of you guys have it and it actually like cools things down, because you boys like go into the track relatively soon here, and I want this to actually like do something. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm honestly not totally sure how to install this. I pretended like I did. I conveyed to Ryan that I had some idea, and I do, but not enough to be confident whatsoever. So again, this is what we've been talking about this for a couple videos now, right? You and me? It's all about torque.
Oh, yeah.
It's really all about confidence in the garage, just add a little bit of torque. Yeah. So this little clip right there is apparently just an absolute menace to get off. Why is that not down?
What do you mean?
Why is it not down to come out? Basically, it's just a matter of literally pulling this thing off without ripping off this line right here, which we're not exactly sure what that is. Probably some sort of evap line or something, I guess.
Vacuum line.
Or vacuum line. So, but after this thing is out, that's literally the only thing to do. Woo! Sheesh! Ow, yeah! So yeah, that kind of sucked a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. Let's put this imposer little cap in and we'll just be done.
Yeah, I think it's...
Oh wow, it's like only the exhaust now. Like there's nothing coming up there except for like... Oh, I mean, okay, honestly, like that's a little bit better. It's just less... I don't hear the, okay. It's a really hard noise to explain. These guys probably all know because they all have STs, but like, how do I describe it, dude? Like it's not a good noise. It sounds it sounds tinny. Like tinny, like a tinny, like raspy exhaust. It almost sounds like raspy. that motor mount's not doing well. It doesn't sound as like, really honestly like raspy from the motor. Oh well, okay. Well, that was, you know, $60, including the thermostat, so I'll take that. It did something. That took what, 10 minutes?
Yeah, 10 minutes.
10 minutes, 20 minutes.
Some sadness and depression.
I got the antidote for you. It's called an aphrodisiac. I don't even know what that is. What is that? Hey, are you depressed? I got something for you. I got the aphrodisiac. What is it? Hey, Domo boy, guess what I got for you? What is the aphrodisiac?
I think that's like a sexy time, you know?
No, it's not,
I
dude.
think like Viagra is an aphrodisiac or something.
Oh, seriously?
Or maybe it's like a natural thing. Maybe you say all these things and you don't know they're like kind of dirty.
My girlfriend's coming down right now. She doesn't know I'm gonna film, so you guys are gonna get to meet her really quick. I'm gonna surprise her with a camera, which is, everyone loves that.
Hello. Oh, am I being filmed?
The camera didn't die.
Oh my
I'd be lying to you. Yeah, guys, this is my girlfriend. We're gonna go get sushi.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go enjoy that, but you guys get to meet her. Say hi to all the boys. There's a lot of boys there, so say hey.
Hi, boys.
Testing. Oh, it works. Hey boys, what's the deal, baby? We are back. It's actually the next day. We had a couple things go wrong, a couple L's we just took. Number one, my memory card just ran out of space completely. It's a 264 or whatever gigabyte thing. It just completely stopped working. Then my camera died, and now I charged it overnight, and guess what? It's only at 28%. Let's go! So I figured that we would try and maybe do just a little something special, just a little something special. A lot of you boys, you don't know what that is. It's okay. That means you're not a real race car driver yet. It's okay. It takes time now. This is a draggy, boys, okay? You see that? Draggy. We've done a couple little tests with the draggy before for 0 to 60s. Today we're not doing 0 to 60s, baby. We're doing a couple things that I think are gonna be important for the hybrid turbo comparison. Damn! I just got confirmation that the turbo has shipped, which is super exciting, so I'm waiting for it. It's just waiting to show up in the mail. So let's go, dude. As you can see, there's nothing in my car. It's completely cleared out. We've been really good about that recently. We are just gonna set this down right there. That's where we're gonna set it down right there. It's magnetic, so it's gonna stay, and it's level. So one of the main things I wanna focus on is like a third gear roll. So let's go 40 to 80, I think is when I top out on third gear. So we'll try that as well. And then we'll maybe do a 60 to 100 if I can have some room. All right, well, I'm pretty sure I set the draggy up correctly. If I didn't, then I'm taking more L's. This is a pretty L'd out video if you ask me. I've taken quite a bit of L's. But yeah, let's go test this out and see what we do. I'm guessing for 40 to 80, maybe like, oh dude, I don't know, maybe like 5 seconds? Is that slow, fast? I have no idea, but I'm about to find out. So let's get to a 40 roll. Definitely gonna start in third gear for 40 roll. We're not gonna do second gear because that runs out really quick. And let's send it right now. Really vibraty, dude. Okay. Okay. Dude, you guys are gonna love this, dude. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Hold on, let me pull over really quick. So you remember how I was like, maybe it's gonna be 5 seconds, like 40 to 80, right? Just a super random guess. Dude, count me in, baby. Call me clockwork. 40 to 80 was 5.08, dude. So close to being perfect on that. Let's see how much that improves with the hybrid turbo. I'm assuming, I'm gonna take a guess and say hopefully 3.5. Now that might be like just way too much of an increase in speed, but I don't know, I'm hopeful, we'll see. We're gonna do one more 40 to 80 just to make sure that's accurate, and then we'll see what happens from there. All right, third gear, 2.5, let's just floor it. So we're full boost by 40. All right, a little bit not as good. That was a good old 5.49. So yeah, so basically we're like 5 to 5.5 seconds from 40 to 80, which again, I have no idea if that's slow or not. It probably is because I'm in a Fiesta, but dude, hey, we got a baseline number. We know where we're going from. That's the main goal there. Oh, also really quick, just wanted to let you guys know, I do not notice these sounds in post or delete at all. So, I mean, I don't know. yeah, I don't know if it's worth it or not, but I did it. I did it anyways. All right, boys, I think that is gonna do it for today's video. We did some testing on it. We now have a baseline for when I get the hybrid turbo. What's the 40 to 80 like? And of course, you know, when we get the hybrid, we're gonna do the 60 to 130 because that's what everyone wants to know. At least I do. I don't know about you guys, but I definitely wanna know what that is. Hopefully that thermostat actually is gonna do something when I do install it. Please, if anybody knows if that's actually gonna do something, please let me know in the comments, because I have the Whoosh hybrid coming, obviously, like we all know, and it's gonna heat up the engine a lot more, and I don't have a radiator for it yet, like an upgraded radiator from Ishimoto, which I should definitely get, but I don't. So if that's gonna help, please let me know in the comments if you guys have one, that'd be awesome. Sound Composer, not really sure why I did that. Didn't really seem to make any difference at all, to be honest with you, but you know, it is what it is. Maybe it'll help when the hybrid turbo gets here. I guess I won't know because I don't have a comparison, but at the same time, it's in and it's done, and it didn't take that long, so I'm okay with it. I just got word that the turbo is being shipped to me right now with the single port. I'm super, super excited for that. We're gonna unbox it together, show you what it's like when you get it, and go through all the specs of it. I'm super, super pumped for that. It's gonna change the whole entire car, as we all know. Boys, hopefully that gets here within the next couple days. We get a video up this week again. But until then, boys, I'm gonna have to catch you on the next one. Peace.